हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। वेलकम टू अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। आप सभी का स्वागत है अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस में। मैं हूं अर्पिता शर्मा, आप सभी की एजुकेटर, और आज हम 28 अगस्त 2020 का द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर एनालाइज करने जा रहे हैं। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिकोड द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर फॉर प्रीलिम्स 2020-21, 28 August 2020. Let's start decoding the newspaper. Before that, here's a small announcement for all of you. Now, if you want to get the free PDFs of these classes, the class resources, class notes, then you can follow me on my Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can join that channel and you can get free class notes as well on that channel. Simplifying UPSC with Ease हमारा Telegram channel है, नीचे link दिया हुआ है description box में, right? Link is also given in the description box. So you can follow us on our Telegram channel. Also, we are on Instagram with the same name, Arpita Sharma Classes. ठीक है, इंस्टाग्राम पे भी हमारा जो पेज है वो है अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। आप वहां भी हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं फॉर माइंड मैप्स एंड फ्लो चार्ट्स एक्सेट्रा। Also, I'm taking live classes on Unacademy Plus. You can use code Sharma20 to get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus. Unacademy Plus पर 10% डिस्काउंट के लिए आप Sharma20 कोड यूज कर सकते हैं। Now let's start decoding the newspaper. The first important news: states can have subgroups among SC/ST, says court. So, 5-judge bench of Supreme Court has held that states can subclassify scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the central list to provide preferential treatment to the weakest out of the weak. Right? तो बेसिकली दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट बिलोंगिंग टू जीएस पेपर 2। ये जीएस पेपर 2 से बिलोंग करती है। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट है, वर्डिक्ट है जो आपको पढ़ना है। द कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स हैड काउंटर्ड 2004 वर्डिक्ट एज वेल, राइट। सो एक 5-जज बेंच सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो था उसने ये बात फाइनली सामने रखी है कि स्टेट्स क्या करेंगे, अब शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट और शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स को सब क्लासीफाई करेंगे सेंट्रल लिस्ट में, ताकि वीकेस्ट ऑफ द वीक को भी प्रेफरेंशियल ट्रीटमेंट दी जा सके। सो दिस जजमेंट इज बेस्ड ऑन अ रेफरेंस टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच, the question of law involving section 4 subsection 5 of Punjab scheduled caste and backward classes act 2006. Basically, legal provision allows for 50% of the reserved scheduled caste seats in the state, which are to be given to the Balmikis and the Mazhabi Sikhs, right? Now, what is the need for this sub classification? अब ये from within this scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, why are we sub classifying? What is the need for that? So first is reservation has created inequalities within the reserved caste itself, because the creamy layer within the reserved class, जो क्रीमी लेयर होती है या क्रीमी लेयर क्लास होती है रिजर्व क्लास में, शेड्यूल कास्ट शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स में भी जो अपर लेयर होते हैं, राइट, उनकी वजह से इनइक्वालिटीज, राइट, क्रिएट हो रही हैं। देयर इज अ कास्ट स्ट्रगल विद इन द रिजर्व क्लास इटसेल्फ, राइट। एंड सेकेंडली, it is clear that caste, occupation and poverty are interwoven, they are interlinked with each other. The state cannot be deprived of the power to take care of the qualitative and quantitative difference between different classes to take ameliorative measures. So basically, to remove this class struggle, or you can say caste struggle within the reserved caste, this sub classification is necessary, right? Also, in this particular reserve class, ऐसा ना हो कि reserved class में भी differentiation हो जाए। जो reserve class में जो लोग afford कर सकते हैं एजुकेशन या फिर jobs afford कर सकते हैं, right, जो jobs ले सकते हैं, एजुकेशन लिटरेसी afford कर सकते हैं, वो सारी सीट्स ले जाएं, और उसी reserve class में जो लोअर तमगे के लोग हैं या लोअर कास्ट पीपल हैं, उनको उनके साथ inequality उनके साथ की जाए। तो इसीलिए इस चीज को हटाने के लिए रिजर्व क्लास में भी सब क्लासिफिकेशन की जाएगी, सो दैट द प्रेफरेंशियल ट्रीटमेंट विल गो डाउन टू द वेरी रूट्स। एवरीबडी इन द रिजर्व क्लास विल be able to use the 50% reservation which is given to them, right? So what does the Constitution of India state? So according to the Constitution of India, under Article 341, President of India, after consultation with governor, underline this, President of India, after consultation with the governor, may specify the caste, race, tribes or parts of groups within caste or races which shall be deemed to be scheduled caste. And this is Article 341. अब आपको इसे याद रखना है प्रीलिम्स के लिए। Here alone the president will not prevail. He has to consult with the governor also, right? Accordingly, The president has notified scheduled caste in the order called Constitution Scheduled Caste Order 1950 and Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes List Modification Order 1956. Remember this. Why this has been passed on by the president? In order to subclassify. However, under Article 341 subsection 2, Parliament of India by law can include or exclude, underline, can include or exclude the above mentioned groups, these groups, right, from the list of scheduled caste. पार्लियामेंट सबसेक्शन 2 के तहत जो पावर्स दी गई हैं उसका यूज करके या तो इन ग्रुप्स को इंक्लूड कर सकता है या एक्सक्लूड कर सकता है. डज द लेटेस्ट जजमेंट अमाउंट टू टिंकरिंग ऑफ द सेंट्रल लिस्ट? नो. द आंसर इज नो. राइट. सुप्रीम कोर्ट बेंच ने कहा है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर पार्लियामेंट चाहे तो इंक्लूड एक्सक्लूड कर सकता है सब ग्रुप्स को, बट इससे ये नहीं है कि आप सेंट्रल लिस्ट को के साथ छेड़छाड़ कर रहे हो. नहीं. राइट. इट डज नॉट अमाउंट टू टिंकरिंग विद और प्लेइंग विद द central list. No caste is excluded from the list. The states only give preference to the weakest of the lot in a very, you can say, logical manner. Okay, so that right to equality is maintained. Clear? Now, why this judgment is important? This is another question, very important for GS paper 2 and also for your interview. ये आपके interview के लिए भी important है. So it fully endorses the push to extend creamy layer concept to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, which the tribes itself were negating. Right? जो upper creamy layer होती है scheduled caste में, scheduled tribes में, जो कि afford कर सकते हैं, वो जो lower layers होती हैं, lower caste groups होते हैं, उनके साथ inequality करते हैं. Right? They take hold of all the opportunities in the society, whether it's education related, job related, right? Being the creamy layer themselves within the reserved class, and because of that, the lower levels, they remain aloof of the opportunities. So the judgment records that citizens cannot be treated to be socially and educationally backward till perpetuity, till continuity of time, right? So implications of this judgment, what are the implications? What is the impact of this judgment? With this, the bench took a contrary view to a 2004 judgment which was delivered in E.V. Chennai case. In this case, the court had held that allowing states to unilaterally make a class within a class of members of scheduled caste would result in tinkering with the presidential list. So it has been removed now in this 2020 verdict. Now, with two numerically equal benches of judges holding contrary viewpoints, the issue has been referred to a 7-judge bench of the court. अब basically 2004 and 2020 इन दोनों के बीच में अब conflicting views हो रहे थे. The verdict was conflicting each other. That is why now this case has been transferred to a 7-judge bench of the court. Let's see what will be the result. Now the next important news: 5 members of Great Andaman tribe test positive. So 4 men and a woman from the group moved to COVID-19 isolation facility. So the Great Andamanese tribe, it is important for prelims. ये prelims के लिए important है. Why it is in news? Because 5 members, 4 men and 1 woman, they have tested COVID positive, right? So it is a particularly vulnerable tribal group. Total in India there are 75 PVTGs, right? Remember this for prelims, and they are one of the 5 PVTGs that reside in Andaman's archipelago. What is archipelago? It means group of islands. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब होता है group of islands. Okay. Now they speak Jeru dialect. इनकी language क्या है? Language is Jeru, right? And the 5 PVTGs residing in Andamans are Great Andamanese, Jarvas, Ongs, Shompenes and North Sentinelese. ठीक है? चलो. Now moving forward. Solar tariff in India unlikely to beat Gulf rates. Very important news for today. This is regarding GS paper 3. Now, the per unit cost in this news, it has been highlighted that the per unit cost of solar power in India, it is the cheapest in the world. Underline this. This is important for prelims. They can give you the name of 4 countries. Then they will ask the per unit cost of solar power is cheapest in the world of which country? That is India. ये याद रखना है. जो solar power का per unit cost है ना, इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा cheap है, सबसे ज़्यादा सस्ता है. Is unlikely to cost less than what is it, in the Gulf countries. Now, this is primarily due to the lower cost of finance in the countries and in the region, along with factors like cheap land prices as well. Okay, so this is important for prelims. ये सिर्फ prelims के लिए important है. इसको please लिख लीजिए, right? Please highlight the name of the country as well. Now coming towards the next important news, borrow from RBI to bridge GST gap, Centre tells state. The Centre acknowledged that states are likely to face a GST revenue gap of 3 lakh crore this year because of the decline in the economy due to COVID-19. The compensation says collections are only expected to bridge 22% of this gap. Now, what is important in this news? It is important for prelims, and here you need to study what is compensation cess. Compensation cess क्या होता है? The cess will compensate, as the name is compensation. It will compensate the states for any revenue loss on account of implementation of GST. GST के कारण अगर किसी स्टेट को रेवेन्यू का किसी भी थोड़ा सा भी लॉस होता है तो उसका कॉम्पनसेशन सेस दिया जाएगा. दिस सेस विल नॉट बी पेएबल बाय एक्सपोर्टर्स एंड दोज पर्सन्स हु हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर कॉम्पनसेशन. Right, and the input tax credit of this cess can be only used to pay compensation cess and not the other taxes like CGST, SGST or IGST. Underline only word. ठीक है, so this is the compensation cess. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. अगर आपको आज की क्लास अच्छी लगी हो तो जरूर इसको लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. Thank you everyone.